My name is Dr. David Clymer, and I am a board-certified orthopedic surgeon here in Kansas City. I treat patients from pediatric age through aggressive athletes, as well as those with both degenerative or reconstructive problems. At some point, almost all my patients ask me whether or not they'll need surgery. Deciding on surgery is an important decision your doctor should not make alone, but rather empower you to make for yourself. My goal will always be to return you to an active, fitness-oriented lifestyle with a healthy balance of work and fun. It's your job to decide whether or not surgery is the best option to get you there. To me, decision-making in orthopedics should be unique to your injury, individual lifestyle, medical history, and even financial considerations. It's why I take a highly individualized and patient-centered approach to every case, and why good communication is paramount. Your support system matters too. In order to achieve the best outcome, your family has to understand your treatment goals and health needs in order to help you on the road to recovery. Personally, being around to see my grandchildren enjoy a healthy lifestyle has been one of the most rewarding times of my life. My hope is that with the right information, you'll be able to do the same. If you have any questions or would like to schedule an appointment, please don't hesitate to visit us online or give us a call at your convenience.